Welcome back. I have a quick little job I have to do today. It was a request from my wife. She goes, with all the videos you make and all the time you spend out in the garage, can't you fix this? The problem is the hook that used to hang this birdhouse broke off. I guess it was soldered on or something. And she even engineered it. She goes, can't you just drill some holes in here and we could hang it somehow? And of course I told her no, but she's not home now. So I think I'm gonna jump into this and surprise her. Let's get into that. I'm Glenn Nowakowski, and you're watching Glenn Now on YouTube. So I think it's going to take a little bit more than just drilling holes. I'm going to have to clean up the top of this thing. There's some sharp wire or something on there. I'll clean that up. And I thought, I found this braided cable with some quarter 20s. I believe they're quarter 20s. Let me measure this. Yeah, they're about 246. That's probably a quarter 20. Looks like it. There's a quarter 20 on each side. I'm not sure what it was, but I figure I'll drill 2 holes, put these through here, and she can hang it from here. I'll give you a close-up on those. But it also came with 2 nuts. It just screw right on there. So I think that'll work. Here's the wire. Some quarter 20s. They're swedged on. And threaded on one end. First of all, I'm going to have to drill some holes. I'll just drill through some quarter 20s or quarter inch holes so I can put that in there. Before I do that, I'm going to clean this up with a file. And let me grab a file. I decided I'm going to belt sand it off. Put it on the Scotch-Brite wheel, made it nice and smooth again. That should work now, you just got to drill the holes. I think I'm going to do it on the drill press. Lower this a little bit. Quarter inch drill. That should do it. I'm gonna drill the holes in line with the handle and the spout here. It's supposed to be a teapot, I guess. A teapot birdhouse. There's a little diameter right here. I'm gonna put it inside that diameter as close to the ball as I can get it. Let's see how this goes. Noisy. Okay, holes are drilled. I just need to pop these through, put the nut on, put the other one through, put the nut on, tighten it up. Okay, latch in there. It works. We'll see if she likes it. Hopefully, this makes her happy. Okay, that's a wrap. I think this will make her happy. It does what she likes, or what she wanted, to hang it. And I guess that's another out in the shop project finished. Until next time, enjoy.